Smoothies are a great way to pack in nutrients in an easy-to-make, nutritious drink. Let's make one together. Hi, my name is Katrina. Welcome back to the Organixx channel, where you can find research-based nutrition videos, delicious recipes, and tips on living a healthy and happy life. Today, we will be making a detox blueberry smoothie. Pour your flax seeds into the blender. Add 1/2 cup of coconut milk, 1 ripe banana, the riper the sweeter, 1/2 cup of frozen blueberries, 1/4 cup of watercress, 1/4 cup of broccoli sprouts, and 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. Add 2 scoops of Organixx OrganiGreens, sweetened or unsweetened, your choice. Last, add stevia to taste. Blend everything up until smooth. Pour into your favorite glass and enjoy this delicious, nutrient-packed smoothie. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to leave your comments below and remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our new videos.